we're going to continue like working with the real data. That is a step. You all know that we are learning the machine learning itself. So actually the experimenting real data, right? So we are not working in industry. So we'll be trying to experiment with the real data to get the understanding. Experimenting with the real data, so that will understanding the concepts of visualizing the data, how we can work with real data if it is given to you in the industry. So how you will be going to work on it. It's not like not sets. Fortunately, there are different open data sets for all sort of domain. Okay, so there are different data sets, open source, different open source dataset. OS is nothing but open source dataset. Okay, that is openly available. Okay, so this datasets you will be going to work upon for depends for all sort of domains. Like if you want to work on the healthcare kind of a data, so that will also work fine. We'll just try to talk about list of resources in this video, and we'll just try to understand which are the repositories are available for that. Okay, we'll just list it down, then we'll just try to talk about it. Okay, one of the popular resources is nothing but popular open data repositories. So we'll just try to talk about what are the resources for available for open data repositories. Okay, open data repositories. Okay, popular open data repositories. So one is UCI Irwin Machine Learning Repository, ML Repo. First thing. Second thing is Kaggle Dataset, one of the popular dataset folks in the Kaggle. Okay, you will be able to get one of the one even kind of a datasets for all sort of a domain you will be in. Okay, you can just try to check that. And another one is Amazon's AWS Datasets. Okay, I will be attaching each and everything in the description links of the datasets. Okay, you can just have a check it out. Another one is Meta Portals. You will be getting the like set of datasets available. One platform is dataportals.org. dataportals.org. Okay, then Open Data monitor.eu, one of the resources for Meta Portal. And another one is a Quandl, QUANDL.org, I guess, right? So it is not an org, it is a commercial, com.com. Okay, another open data repositories, another one resources available. I will just share with you, will understand that. Okay, one of the thing is Wikipedia list of machine learning. Wikipedia list of ML dataset. Okay, I will just walk you through that as well, so that you will get at least understand. Another one is a quora.com question. That is also one resource. And Datasets Subreddit. Okay, Datasets Subreddit. So this is one of the resources actually. Okay, in the next series of which we'll understand, looking at the big picture, what exactly means, we'll be going to talk about it. Okay, so we'll just try to understand one of the repository, open data available repository. Okay, we'll just straightforwardly move towards our browser, so that you will understand each of the resources, so that you will understand it clearly. Okay, we'll just straightforwardly move towards a browser. Okay, we'll just try forwardly move towards a website, so that I will just show you that how the things is going to work it, so you will get a clear picture about the open available datasets, right? So now we'll just straightforwardly move towards our, I will just show you, okay, this, okay, so this is a archive website, so where you will be getting a set of repositories available, okay. You can just make a note of it. If you want to take a look about the wine quality dataset, that is also a quality dataset, you will be going to have a look. See, so you will be getting the quality dataset, you will be getting the dataset information, and what this dataset, it will be going to like at least you will be getting the description, like what particular that dataset means, what analysis you will be going to have a look about it, okay. So that the things will be getting like clear idea, like which particular datasets, like if I'm going to go for this particular research paper, is this going to give me a worth it for my analysis or not. So set of this repository you will be getting, this is one of the wonderful repo, okay. And another one is a Kaggle Datasets, I will just show it to you. So like it is one of the open source datasets available in the internet, so you can just have a look, folks, okay. So kaggle.com/datasets, so if you just open this, you will be getting the set of datasets available here. Like if you want to have a look about the clothing and accessories, you can just have a look about this particular datasets, right? For mobile bird uncased is there, protein bird with protein model is there, fashion e-commerce data is also available, okay. Coffee dataset is available, economic guide college to majors data from 538 is available, okay. So these are the popular repositories you will be going to. If you want to search on the NLP, natural language processing, so you can just have a look about it. If you want to work on the cancer kind of a domain, you will be getting the set of repositories, set of datasets will be available for that as well. Now we'll just try to look over the most popular, that is Amazon AWS datasets, okay. So I will just show it to you, like if you know that which particular dataset is there, okay, you can just have a look on the datasets, okay. So I will just show it to you, registry.opendata.aws, this is a like registry actually, okay. If you want like movie recommendation, I will just show you to you how it is working, okay. Recommendation, okay, we will just have a try, folks. So we'll just try to see that, explore the catalog, okay. You will get to understand like which particular, like I wanted to understand from this actually, right, okay. So from the files AWS S3, let's say I wanted particular movie recommendation, is it working or not? We'll just try to have a look once actually, you will understand here. See, so if you want to work on that, see IMDb ratings for movie or TV or OTT platforms, okay. So you will be getting each and openly sourced datasets available here. See, if I want to go there, you will be getting the what this particular will cost you around, like cost it is costing, it will be going to like what things, which APIs will be available, what the certain things will be going to visualize the data from this actually, okay. So this is a quite open datasets from the Amazon, okay. I will just make a note of it, folks, so that I will just put down everything in the description, so you will be getting to understand what the things is you will be understanding here basically. Okay, so now in the case of the meta portals, so one of the organization called docs.dataportals.org, you will be getting the clear idea about it. So I will just make a show it to what this particular portal is about. We'll just try to understand about it. Okay, so here you will be getting the open data available here. Okay, you can just click on this, right? Open data. You will be understanding what that particular basically means actually. Like if I want to in the Africa data portal listed. See, now if I want to search the data on movie, is it working or not? We'll just try to see that. No, it is only showing the data is listed here. Okay, so information. So now this is also one of the ways actually, like how the portal set will be going to work. Like whatever we'll be looking at it, I will just provide you the CSV file with that data. You can know about the worries of to going to this particular real world data. In the next video, what will be going to understand is, like, see, from the Reddit, if you want to see the data sets part, that is also available from Reddit part, reddit.com. okay, so this is also one of the popular website from the Reddit. Okay, if you want to look the data set, how it is looking like, is it free access, something it is telling about it, right? So you can just have a look about the reference paper. Okay, so you will get the look and feel about like which particular data set I should go through that, right? So like resource, they are getting it out. Okay, so you will understand like which particular data sets that you want. Okay, so now if you see this particular video, right, you will be understanding which particular resource actually. This blog post is very interesting actually. You will be understanding for what purpose that you wanted actually. Okay, if you are looking for the supervised learning problem, okay, you can just click on this particular things. You will be understanding like which particular papers is important for your analysis. Okay, certain topics you will be understanding. Okay, I hope you understood about this up till here. Now in the next video, what we'll be going to understand is looking at the bigger picture. The step number 2 will understand about that. So what we'll be going to understand, that is basically we are understanding the things is in the next video what we'll be going to discuss about us, like California house prices will be looking at it, right? California house prices will be have a glance of it. California house prices will be going to understand. Okay, so what we'll be understanding, we'll be looking at the problem. Okay, looking at the problem, like which algorithm we have to use. Okay, we'll understand that perspective. Then we'll try to ask the certain question. You will understand, you will not think that this is a particular thing that I am learning. Okay, we'll be asking the certain question. Is this problem, when you are in the role, you will be asking certain questions. Okay, data science is not all about like you are telling something, you are building something. Okay, you have to ask certain question. You are solving the business use case, right? So that is only, and that is what you are bringing on the table, only the matter most. Okay, the thing is, that is the thing. Okay, all about. In the next video, we'll look at like how to ask a certain and how to look with the bigger picture when the particular data has given to you. Okay, alright, that's it about this video folks. The next video will just start to understand one by one.